Ah, neighbor.
Who please?
Neighbor, good morning.
How are you now?
You alright, oh?
Well done.
Neighbor, this one where you come out this morning like this. You where you fly today, they ever come out. What's happen?
Neighbor, inside is too boring. I'm alone. So I say my order for one Uber game. Make she come spend time with me.
When I wake up money, when I enjoy you, you want just
If
enjoy
you just
yourself.
come for like 3-4 hours at least, my rest.
How I wish then I may get that kind. But it's okay.
See, I come safe.
Neighbor, you are tickling me.
I beg, neighbor,
okay.
I enjoy my life.
So this is your belena. You could just call the rubber. You know, say now you the rubber now. Now turn to take over.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You look good.
Don't be Jennifer, be this. Jennifer, your mama no say you don't do hook up.
What it concern you?
Neighbor, you know this girl?
No picking where I carry during her child dedication go church.
And so what?
No problem. Your mother will hear this thing.
Uncle Jay, I beg. No tell my mama for me. I beg. Help me. No say if you tell my mama, she go send me out of the house.
Okay. Make her not tell your mama, Abi.
Yes.
No problem. Write your name, date, and signature.
What's be this one?
Abi, make her tell your mama.
No.
I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
They delay me.
If I not pour spit for your face today, tomorrow you go still pour me spit.
This life, huh?
Neighbor, your own is too much. Too they do am.
No contact here, I never help you tomorrow. Because when a human being, they quick forget good. For evidence day.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise. You are a mumu man.